Hey folks, got a Honda CRV here. All right, with a little 4-cylinder. I'm gonna change the oxygen sensor. Don't have it on stock right now, so had to order it. So for now, I'm gonna show you how it gets removed. So this is your cat converter underneath the car. Okay, follow along. Oxygen sensor is right there. Okay, so you get yourself a little WD-40 PP blaster. All right, spray it in there really good. Get your little oxygen tool, sensor tool or a socket. This one I got from AutoZone. You just want to crack it open so it's nice and loose. All right, and then I'm going to show you the wiring. You could take the wheel off if you want to, give you more room, but you don't have to. You could probably just turn the wheel to the left. All right, and here it is right here. That's the connector right there. There's a little clip there, see a little U-shaped clip? That's just gonna hold it off to the side. Over here, this connector, it's not this pin that you see, it's in the back here. It's a little tab. You squeeze that tab really good, and this will come right out. There you go. All right, there's the tab on the side. All right, squeeze that tab, unhook it off this little U-clip over here. Okay, and there's your oxygen sensor. Now we'll go underneath. After you crack it loose, take it out. We're going to spin this little bugger up. Thank goodness, 240 somewhat thousand miles on it. This thing is spinning off pretty easy. Because a lot of these things are frozen. They're rusted to death. All right, so just wiggle it out of there. And this is it, all right? So this is the little rubber plug insulation that clips onto that. All right, now we're gonna change it. Looks pretty beat up. Who knows if it's clogged or not. All right, so that's what we're gonna replace. Gonna run to the store and put it right back in. All right, so it's simple. Just thread it right back in. It usually comes with the sealer already. Just screw it back in, make it nice and tight. Put on your little retainer onto that clip and plug it back in. Clear the codes and you're good to go. All right, that's it. I don't have it now, otherwise I'll show you how to put it back in, but go in reverse, people. You'll be all right. Thanks for watching. Ciao. All right, so this is what I got. Bosch from AutoZone 18050. Right? Pretty much the same. It's a little fatter. Okay, and the little nozzle tip here is a little covered a lot more than the old one. All right. So screws in pretty easy. Right there. Plugs in right there. Just got to put that little piece on the clip and then we're good to go. All right, that's it. We're done. Don't forget to clear the codes. Thanks for watching. Ciao.